It's hard to unlearn when you learned it wrong. This is Chloe's worst nightmare.
Best tip that someone ever gave me. Is there any way I can ask you a question?
Sure. So you're trying to get your ollie better.
But every time I pop, I push it forward and the board like goes this way.
Yeah, show me your ollie. Don't be scared. Go ahead, let me see. So you push your right foot that way. What are you doing with your upper body?
I'm trying to keep it as still as like my shoulders. I'm trying to keep it really still.
Yeah, you're turning, right? Don't turn. Okay, yeah, you do push it. Okay, let's try it not moving. Well, this is mid-video impromptu skate support.
You're okay with being filmed?
Of course.
Okay, that's pretty good. Stand like this for me and put your foot there. And then I'm gonna hold my hand out, go like towards me. Stand on your back foot. Yeah, now kick my foot. Good, you see like that feeling of how far your leg is going out?
Yeah.
When you ollie, kick it out that far. Like hit my hand again. Okay, now ollie and do that. We're gonna tear those Jordans up, boy. Okay, another thing that you're doing that's kind of interesting is your foot's like that. Put your foot like there, because where your foot should be dragging on your ollie is more like this. You're going a little bit here, like almost like kickflip ollie. I'm gonna show you what you're doing. You ready? Watch my front foot. Pay close attention to the motion it goes forward. You're going like this. How far did my foot go forward? This is what I want you to do. You see the difference? Like, yeah! That's why we do that earlier practice step where you kick the hand. It's the same motion. Bro! You literally would have ollied over that rail. But now, stop kicking out. You're going like this. Leave it on there, bro! Last point of advice, bend the knees. When you land, have your knees bent. Nobody saw that, nobody saw that. Okay, good. Do it again. You did turn there, which is what you're trying to handle, I know. But I feel like if we just improve your ollie, it's gonna get there. Bro, what time is it?
No, that's the thing. Like, okay, sometimes when I'm moving, it's only when I'm moving I turn.
Yeah, everything looks okay, but you're a little skittish. You're not like quite certain of like, when I ollie, I know where the board's going. But you are turning, your upper body's sort of facing a little bit this way. And if your shoulders are that way, your feet are gonna go that way too. Sometimes with people, this is like not how you should skate, but I'll just to try and correct that, I'll go kind of like this and like raise the arms almost like, because then your shoulders are gonna stay. Of course, then I bail, but yeah, you got it. I think that's a little bit of like a, I'm scared to land. I'm not quite certain, so I'm pushing it away. But I could be wrong on that, it's just a guess. But if I were you, I would do 5 ollies every day standing still, and then 5 ollies with a little bit of speed. And if you did that every day, you spend 10 minutes, there's no way in 2 weeks you don't ollie. Good.
You think?
Oh, I don't think I know. I taught so many people. Okay, do it. Okay, that was pretty good. You're turning, but it was still good. You did a little, let me see again. My God, yes, it's your upper body. I can already tell you. Literally, watch my body. Before you even pop, you're like this. Look. There's no way your foot can go anywhere else. You see my upper body? My torso is turned. You're literally like that. You like learn to ride like this or somehow. Like you're facing the direction. Like be like your shoulders parallel with your feet. This is why you need to practice it not moving a lot and then do the arms thing.
By the way, I can't thank you enough for this.
That's okay. You don't need to thank me. Yeah, you're still turning, but it's better. Better. Have you ever tried a 180?
Yeah, I got a front 180 for the first time like 2 days ago.
I was gonna say, you could probably front 180. That's the good thing about some of this. Try a 180. Yeah, you got that. Have you ever tried a back 180?
I have not.
Try. It's just pop, ollie, turn the other direction. Because that's the other way to do this. You're gonna learn how to turn your board that way. And then if you need to correct your board a little bit from turning, you can simply turn it that way. And then you'll understand, well, my upper body, blah, blah, blah. It looks to me like you're winding up for like a fat frontside 180. Like you're like that, right? And then your upper body's gonna turn, and then try the opposite, where you go back 180, where you go like, go this way, cock this way, and then turn. Bro, back heel flip, first try. Try just a backside like 45, like. Good? It's so funny, because when you do that, you do a straight ollie. But it counteracts it a little bit, you see? Wow. Okay, that was a straight ollie. Do a turn. Let's get a little backside turn. Okay, there you go. Really, yeah? Difficult for you. Good, I like that. Difficult is good.
Well, when you pop like backwards or straight down?
Yeah, a little bit of a scoop, but mostly straight down. Like the way I think about it is like I do an ollie. I do an ollie while my upper body's already turned, and then I just turn my legs. Watch my... Yeah, I was gonna say, like, not into the street. This is Chloe's worst nightmare.
I know.
But I think what you should actually do, here, let's try this, just to run you through it. 5 just ollies on flat, and then we're gonna do 5 ollies moving. Good, that was good. Not as high, but straighter. Higher, but turned. You're really into that frontside 180 motion. You can be the world's best frontside 180. I'm just gonna show you. Okay, that wasn't bad, but look at this shoulder right here the whole time. You see your elbow is turning that direction.
So I should try to keep this arm in front.
Try.
It's weird.
I know.
So weird.
It's because you've practiced like this so many times that now you have to unlearn what you have learned. It's like a Jedi master mind trick.
I feel like that's like a huge balance thing for me.
It might be, but this is where the practice comes in. And if you do 10 minutes a day every day, you just say, here's my schedule at night or in the morning or whenever, almost like a workout routine. And you do that 5 times and then rolling 5 times and then just repeat that as many times as you can in 10 minutes. There's no way that you're not getting somewhere. You can't do the same, like if you keep going like this, you have to understand, oh, well, I have to counteract that by going the other way and then practice it that way. So you have to practice it in the right way, of course. Okay, good, that's 1. We're gonna go 1, okay. 2, even if you get it or not. 3, okay, that was like a full 90. Now you're just doing 180 as like a show off. 4, okay, 1 more. Good, 5, okay, that was good and straight. Now, do it rolling with just a little bit of speed, just a little bit. Okay, good, nobody saw that. It's so interesting, even when you skate with your shoulders a little bit like this. Try and straighten it out. Okay, that was good. Stay committed on there. You got it, you got it. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do one, you're gonna follow my lead, okay? Elbows, shoulders, straight. Okay, you landed, really crooked. Okay, do it going this way. I'm gonna film you so I can show you your shoulders. It's hard to unlearn when you learned it wrong. Look at your elbow, look at that. You see how far it's gone? Good. Good to meet you, Isaac. You see it? You see where it went? Focus on your elbow not doing that. Let's try and get it, like you can go up, but try to make it not go that way. It's tricky. It's also hard when you're trying to do like, what are my feet doing? And then you're like, oh, focus on the elbow, blah, blah, blah. Can be tricky. But this is where 10 minutes a day, consistent practice, and you're gonna like work on it, and then you're gonna have to unlearn that earlier motion, right? Hold your arms out, try going like this. Okay? I was gonna say, that was much better, bro. But you didn't even hold your arms out. Like literally, do what I'm doing with my arms, if you can. Arms out. I mean, I don't know if that was straight or seemed like it.
That looked straight from my angle.
Just don't let any girl see you this way. Bro, sick!
Oh my God.
You got it! Ollie God. Bro! Okay, save some for the rest of us.
Best tip that someone ever gave me.
Yeah, that was good, right?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Keep pushing, keep learning how to skate. So ollie, frontside 180, which you already got. Your next trick would be backside 180. So if you do 5 ollies in a day, 5 frontside 180s, then start working on backside 180s every day. Then after that, it's pop shove, front shove, heel flip, kick flip. You got it, you got it.
And do you have a social media?
Have a great day.
I want you to beat me in a game of skate.
Do you have a social media you want?
I do.
Mm-hmm.
Matt._.Janes with an N.
Okay, awesome.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Yeah,
You
thanks.
too.
These guys are going fishing.
I guess so, going fishing.
It's like, thanks for the invite. Jeez.